What's going on, everybody? What's going on, YouTube? So today gonna be reviewing Blackmagic tire wet foam. So gonna be doing a product review and also a how-to video. Gonna see how this looks on some low profile 265 35 R22 tires. So out here, beautiful place, got some music going, live music. So these are the wheels. So we're gonna look at this. It says, lightly spray tire onto clean, dry surface. Wait 1 to 3 minutes before driving. Achieve optimal shine. Any tips? Drips runs will eventually disappear, revealing a brilliant shine. No wiping is necessary. It says for hard to reach places tires foam wet, to a soft cloth and apply periodically to keep tires looking new. So you can keep applying this product. So do not use on motorcycles, bicycles, two-wheel vehicles. Surfaces that should not become slippery. Do not apply or allow product to come in contact with the tread area. Best results, use Blackmagic Bleach White to pre-clean tires. So that's another Blackmagic product. So, but this, real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Gonna go ahead and take off the cap here. And I'm gonna shake up. Then apply. Let's do that again. Come right over here. As you can see, go ahead and apply. That's pretty good. Let's go over here. Love Blackmagic. Come all the way around. Let's go ahead and do it again. Product smells great. Product smells good. Now something that I like to do is to kind of get that total look is just to go right around the edge here. Like so. Watch. So what I'm doing, making sure once I start driving, it just evens out. That's what I like. So that is Blackmagic Tire Wet. Now even more extreme shine, maximum streaking, minimum streaking, maximum durability, outshines all other tire sprays. So hope y'all enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications, videos just like this.